I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish.
What's up, guys? Today is a great day. Let me tell you why. Because we captured a huge grouper today. Let me tell you step by step what we did. We went out of Matheson Hammocks and we went straight out. We went straight out past Stillsville and we went towards the Fowey Light to the left side right there. We picked a nice little spot and it was nice today. It was very low wind. So before I show you the fish, let me show you how a cast net can be thrown. Well, today there was a lot of ballyhoo over there, so we just put our chum net down, and I got some ballyhoo. We threw some ballyhoo, and let me show you how to throw a cast net. So follow me, guys. So this right here, this is like a 6-foot cast net. First thing you want to do, you want to make sure there's no tangles. Look at it. No tangles. All right. You hold it up right here by the top, by the trunk or the horn, whatever you call it. Now you put it down a little bit, nice and organized to the side. Grab the rope. I like to grab the rope on my strong hand, which is my right. Put it through like that. So just in case it flies off, like it'll just stay there. Make some, not tiny loops, but medium-sized loops. Grab by the bill again. A little bit more than halfway is good. Okay. You grab the line on your left side. Grab it like so. Always make sure there's no tangles. See? I got a good dig. I like to grab it a second time. Right there. Shake it. Make sure there's no tangles. And I like to grab it a third time. Right there. Let me show you what it looks like. Basically, I got three sinkers right here in my right hand. I got the rope, and I got the net about halfway down. And on my left side, I got the net. I got the net right here, so I have it good halfway open. Let me get rid of this little tangle right here. Alright, so what you do is go forward a little bit, come back, you know, with the little inertia that it has. You toss it and you turn it. So let me show you. Let me show you one more time, a little bit faster. Pick it up, make sure there's no tangles. You can even go through it a little bit, you know. Put it down, nice and organized. Put it down right there. Got it on my strong hand right here with the loop. Make some medium-sized loops. Grab by the horn. About halfway down, a little more. Grab it on the left side. the left corner, the left corner nearest you, facing out. Grab it right here, first sinker, all the way down again. Grab it right here, second sinker. I like to grab the third one as well. As long as you get it open, if you have a lot of bait out there, you'll catch ballyhoo. That's how I do it. It's easier to do it when you're not tired, because when you're tired, it's not. You really gotta focus when you're doing it. So the next thing I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna show you the fish. So yeah, follow me to the cooler, guys. So grouper season is open. I heard that it was open the other day, and I went on Fish Rules, and I saw that the red grouper, the minimum size is 20 inches, and the season is open. So if you're ever unsure about a fish, if it's legal to take it home or not, you go to this app called Fish Rules. You download it, you check right there. My fish that I caught is a red grouper. I'm gonna show you now. The minimum size is 20 inches, and this one was about 24 and a quarter. So it was way over. So yeah, check this out, guys. Check out this fish. That thing is massive. Massive fish. So we're gonna look for a good recipe right now. We're gonna cook them up. We're gonna fillet them in the food. So yeah, guys, it's a good day. The third trip that we come out, and we got lucky today, guys. Let me put it back in the cooler. Alright, that's it. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. I'm gonna show you what I used, what rig I used to catch that fish. Alright, guys, and now for the good part. I'm gonna explain to you what I used to catch that fish. So basically, bigger fish are very elusive. They're very they know they've probably seen fishermen before. They're very careful. That's why they've gotten so big. So what I like to do sometimes is go with light tackle. So what I did was I grabbed this rod. As you can see, it's very tiny. This is a Penn reel, CV4000, and it's a light ugly stick, super light. And I have, it's about 10 or 12 pound test, between 10 and 15 pound test on this. Is very light. I have a 20 pound fluorocarbon leader, about 3 foot, with a swivel and a half-ounce sinker right here. Just half-ounce sinker on top of the swivel, and then I got a pack of these from the gas station on 107th and Bird Road. For people who are locals, they got a gas station right there, and they got a little bit. They got bait, and they got a little bit of tackle supplies. So let me show you what these hooks look like new, and then I'm gonna show you what the hook looked like after I got the fish. So check this out. Really good. Now this is what the fish did to my hook. So that just goes to show you that we were just right there at the border of our tackle's limit, and that's why we caught the fish, because our tackle or our line was very light. We have a fluorocarbon leader. Fluorocarbon leader, supposedly the fish see it less in the water. So we got a fish. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. If you have any questions about anything that I showed you today, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. What's up, guys? So right now we're cooking up the grouper. Check it out. We're struggling a little bit right now because we forgot to spray down the grill a little bit with Spam before we put the fish. So struggling a little bit, but you know, we haven't grilled in a while, so we're just learning today. It's okay, no big deal.
Next time is better.
Next time will be better. Exactly. So we
learn by mistakes.
Yeah, you learn basically by mistakes. They say actually fail. What does fail stand for, Papa? We were talking about it the other day, remember? Fail?
Yeah.
Fail actually stand for
Fail.
fail. No. Fail actually stands for, or a good abbreviation for fail is first attempt in learning.
Okay.
So today is our first attempt in cooking up this this fish that we caught yesterday, the red grouper, 24 inches. No? ¿Cuánto es 12 and 12?
I don't
No, ya no. Mira, so let's talk a little more about the grouper, no? Or let's talk about the recipe for today.
Okay.
So today's recipe is, we started off with
Cucumber.
one full cucumber.
We take off the seeds.
We took out the seeds. We cut up the cucumber in little squares. We got a mango. We cut it up in little squares, and also
The blueberry.
blueberry or
I think it's blueberry.
a raspberry
Raspberry.
or
I don't know.
blueberry.
I think too.
Blueberries, and just cut in half. We got that. That's one salad, and then we also got a full bar of
Butter.
cilantro,
And lemon juice.
and lime. We lime juice.
Lime.
Freshly squeezed lime juice. A full bar of butter. We let it boil in the microwave.
Melt.
We let it melt in the microwave. There you go. And
I'm teaching him English.
he's teaching me English. So basically that's in there right now. It's inside the house. Just the butter, the cilantro, and a little bit of salt. No?
Both things separate, no?
So yeah, both things are separate. You know, the fruits and the butter is separate.
When the fish is already, we put the fruits on top, random. Then you put the cilantro on the juice.
There you go. All right, guys. So this is the final product. We got a little bit of rice, a little bit of Caesar salad, a little bit of fresh caught grouper, blueberries, a little bit of cucumbers, a little bit of mango. Let's give it a taste test.
And the cilantro sauce
Oh, the
with
cilantro sauce and the butter
and lemon.
and the lemon juice.
Okay.
Right? Let's do the taste test. taste the fish. And you taste the sweet at the same time. I like it.
Of the
I
mango.
can honestly say I like it.
Yeah.